What's up, guys? It's John. I'm back here at Magic Mountain for another ride update. It's June 28th, 2021, and we're arriving at 1 p.m. Let's check out the parking lot and see what the traffic's like getting in and how parking is. So it looks like the parking lot's a bit crowded today. I'm gonna go ahead and check in with you guys when I get into the park. So we made it in, guys, and we're gonna start today's update in the DC universe. Looks like they're getting rid of a lot of the old Green Lantern stuff on this side now and focusing on clearing out the area of the extended queue. In case you guys were wondering about the Green Lantern statue that's still sitting in front of the station, well, today there was a few crew members there dismantling it piece by piece, and it looks like it's going to be out of here any day now. Here's another shot of them starting the process of removing the statue. As we take a look over here, I notice that they've brought in 2 new dumpsters, and it's probably to get rid of the stuff that's in the Green Lantern queue, to get rid of the extended queue and the overhang, and probably some of the shrubbery and other plants and stuff and trees in the area. So it looks like they've added a new fence along the extended queue of Batman to block off any type of construction that's going to be going on the other side and keep guests away. And as we look over here, we can see that they've placed what looks to be the final brake run / block section markers of the attraction coming here. If we look closely, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 markers all in a straight line, and then it looks like it turns back and goes into the old Green Lantern station. Later on, I will link a photo describing what I was just talking about. So this is the line I was talking about earlier. It's about 6 markers all in a straight line headed to the back of the old or current lemonade stand. Here's a couple photos to describe what I was talking about. It looks like Green Lantern's extended queue is for sure being removed due to the placement of the markers. This leads me to believe that the entrance for the new attraction will be on the Green Lantern exit side of the station, and the exit for the ride will be on Green Lantern's old entrance side, leading into the DC universe. Here's a look at some of the new markers on this side. So as we arrive over here, it looks like they've removed the markers that they originally started placing on Thursday and Friday of last week. And it looks like they're doing some more surveying, as you can see. Maybe something happened and they had to do some ground leveling or something like that. Let's check it out. Looks like my suspicions were correct, and they are leveling the ground over here. It looks like they at least took it down a foot or two, and they've got a pile of dirt that they're piling up, and they'll probably remove that, and after that's done, probably replace the markers. All the other markers still seem to be intact and in the place that they were placed in last week. This seems to be the farthest marker from the station of the ride layout. So it looks like he's already starting to replace the markers now. Shouldn't be long now before drills start showing up on site so they can start digging the footers. It was really windy today. Hopefully those blueprints don't blow away. As you can see, he's even placing more markers now by the barbecue restaurant. And with that, that's going to conclude this week's update. Appreciate everybody watching. Make sure to tune in next week. This has been your Theme Park ERT.